How to save or download documents from Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, here we are. So there is a two way you can download or save your Google Docs from Google Documents from Google Docs. So first way, you can just log in with your email ID and you can go to the Google Drive. Just click on the Google Drive application icon here and it will be open the Google Drive application. Now here, this is like storage services from Google. Whatever you create documents in Google app like Google Sheet, Google Documents, Google Slide, Google Form, and many more, it is only saved in Google Drive. Okay, it is like storage for the Google documents and folder. Okay, so here you can simply filter for documents only. Go to the search and here you can click on that documents, or you can just type colon and document. Just you can type this keyword here. Okay, so here you can see all your documents. Now you can simply select the document, right click on it, and you can download, but it is only download in Word format. If you want to download in different format, you need to just open that document by double clicking on it. Now the document will be open in next tab. Now you can just click on this file option, go to the download, and here you can see the multiple format which you can select. Like you can download as a PDF, you can download as a Word file, you can download as a TXT, you can also download as a web page. Okay, when you click on download, it will be download in your device. Okay, so here you can share your documents to the on email to the peoples. You can just hit the email ID of this person and just send it will be shared to this person, or you can simply click the copy the link and you can share the link to the others. And this is a restricted mode. You can change anyone this link, so anyone can view your document by this link. Okay, this is for Google Drive, but if you want to open or save your documents in Google Docs from Google Docs only, then just go this app menu icon. Now we need to open only Docs application, where you can find only Google Docs. This is individual application. Okay, so here also you can find your all documents like this. From here you can download, just open it, any documents, and same you can download any format. Okay, and when you create any documents here, like if I get the new documents, I just need to rename it. Okay, and when you update your document, it is automatically saved in Google Docs and Google Drive. Okay, so it don't need to save your manually save, it will be saved automatically, you can see. Or you can simply save with particular folder in Google Drive. Go to the location, go to the My Drive here, and you can select the folder here to save your documents, or you can create the new folder like test docs for C. Okay, so you can create the new folder. Now you are in this folder. Now you can move it. Then if we need to just refresh your Google Drive. Okay, and here you can see the folder which we have created, that one, and we have just we have these documents here. Okay, so it will be automatically saved, but if you want to download from Google Docs, you can download from here as I show you. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.